let's go for a ride. I'm gonna show you how this baby runs. It's got all new gauges, tack, fuel works great, oil pressure, temperature, everything works as it should. This truck is very, very nice. No rattles, squeaks, nothing. It's got a lot of power. And the AC blows ice cold. It's got a custom wood bed. They removed the tank and put it in the bed of the truck. Just a really nice truck. If you want to make a deal, give me a call. Hey guys, John over Hayes Class. What I have here is a 1972 Chevy C10 short bed step side. This vehicle's been custom built, nut and bolt restoration. It's got a 350 transmission, 350 motor. Vehicle runs very, very well. It's got cold AC, power steering, power brakes. It's got the Harley-Davidson accents, Harley-Davidson piping inside. So if you're a Harley-Davidson lover, this truck is for you. Give me a call if you want to make a deal.